We at STEM Learning believe education should empower students to think, question, and create solutions. With this vision, we are transforming education in Delhi. Across 110 plus underserved schools, we are providing access to quality STEM education through our innovative learning solutions that redefine how learning happens in classrooms. Instead of rote memorization, students are engaged in active learning that combines observation, reasoning, and practical application. They explore concepts hands-on, gaining clarity and practical understanding that stays for life. Our mini-science centers make science and math come alive through hands-on models that simplify complex concepts. Through the Do-It-Yourself program, students build their own models, learning by doing, experimenting, and discovering. We also ensure that students gain the skill sets needed in a technology-driven world. All this is possible because of the support of over 30 dedicated CSR partners who share our belief in creating equal learning opportunities for every child. Together, we are empowering students with knowledge, confidence, and creativity, building a smarter and brighter tomorrow.